Cutlass update. I've been working on getting this albuterol, the old albuterol, off of the window trim, so that way I can put the windows in. I will show you. If you go over here, you know, I had got the car, it had no windows. I got lucky and found some windows, so I had taped it up during, as you can see, Christmas time. I taped it up so that way I could put the, so that way the interior didn't get trashed. So I used ice cold water. That's the trick. Ice cold water to get the old albuterol off. Once you get it all off, get it wiped down, get it cleaned up, a little bit of denatured alcohol to clean it up. You put the new albuterol on, and that's what the window looks like when it's put in. So I got one window done. I got another window to go. Just thought I'd give you guys a little update on what's going on with that Cutlass. Have a nice evening.